Welcome to Domino Edition Quiz Series. This quiz, divided in 3 parts. Are you ready? What is the missing addend here?
Answer is 2. What is the missing addend here? And the answer is 3. Can you tell me the missing addend here? 7 plus what equals to 14? And the answer is 7. What is the missing addend here? You need to add something on 5 to make 11. The answer is 6. What is the missing addend here? So 3. 10 plus 3 equals 13. What is the missing addend here? The answer is 6. What is the missing addends here? The answer is 6. Can you tell me the missing addends here? 9 plus what equals 15? The answer is 6. 9 plus 6 equals 15. Can you tell me what is the missing addends here? Age 9 at 10 plus 9 equals 19. Next part is addition true or false questions. In this slide you will see an addition number sentence. You need to know it's true or false. Is the number sentence true or false? 13 plus 7 equals 20. Yes, it's true. Is the number sentence true or false? 5 plus 10 equals 16. It's wrong, because 10 plus 5 equals 50. Now, can you tell me this number sentence true or false? 6 plus 6 equals 12. It's true. Is the number sentence true or false? 7 plus 3 equals 10. Yes, it's true. Is the number sentence true or false? 11 plus 4 equals 15. Yes, it's true. Is the number sentence true or false? 12 plus 7 equals 18. It's false because 19. Is the number sentence true or false? 4 plus 6 equals 10. Yes, it's true. Now the next part is domino addition. In this you will get the domino dice. In that you will see the points. You have to count the points and then add it. Count each side of the domino, write the number and add. That will be your answer. Are you ready? Now your turn. Now tell me how many numbers you will see on dice. 1 plus 4 equals 5. That's the answer. Now can you see here? The answer is 2 plus 3 equals 5. Now your turn. Now can you tell me how many numbers you see on dice? 1 plus 5 equals 6. Now in that slide, how many points you see? 3 plus 3 equals 6. In this slide, can you see the number? 1 plus 6 equals 7. In this, the answer is 0 plus 6 equals 6. In this slide, how many points you see? 4 plus 5 equals 9. In this slides, the answer is 1 plus 6 equals 7. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.